This is the TPS Magnum Optimum, 1200 by 1000 collapsible plastic pallet box. Just taking the lid off, that's an optional. Not everyone wants the lid and you don't have to have it. And it's easy to erect, just pull up the sides in no particular order. There's some handles on the inside here to hold on to so that when you pull, and there it is. You can put the lid on if you want to protect any product inside. The corners here have like a Lego block on them, and I'll show you on the base of the pallet box how that would sit in that space there. So it locks together so that you can stack them one on top of another. And then you've got a drop-down door on the long side and on the short side so that people haven't got to reach in from the top to try and get things out of the bottom. They can drop that door down and it's easy to reach in and take out anything that's in the base. In the base also, if you can see in there, you can see some holes, the white ones and the black one in the middle, and they're for drainage, so that if any liquids escape, they have a place to run out. Now, one of the benefits of this box is that when it's collapsed, you can fit 8 collapsed boxes in a stack.